Each year, hundreds of workers are injured, permanently disabled, or killed after falling from rooftops. To provide a safer working environment, companies are looking for new and better ways to prevent falls and more effective methods to arrest a fall when it occurs. Around the globe, they've discovered the perfect fall protection solution: XSPlatforms from Rigid Lifelines. Why XSPlatforms? Simple. No one offers more system options for rooftop fall arrest and restraint, more reliability, and better quality than XS.
It's a very unique system. I haven't seen anything quite like it, and I think that it gives me a certain comfort level knowing my guys are safe when they're up here working.
And there's one more major advantage. Thanks to a patented toggle anchor design, fewer penetrations are required for XS top-mounted anchors. Typically, only one fastener per post is needed, compared to 4 to 16 roof penetrations for each non-XS anchor. Plus, intermediate support posts can span up to 49 feet for a linked cable system. So with fewer anchor posts required for a span of cable, and with each anchor post needing only one fastener, XSPlatforms fall protection systems normally require 1/2 the number of posts and up to 84% fewer roof penetrations than competing systems. Fewer holes means faster installation, up to 4 times faster, as well as quicker inspections and easier maintenance. And because all XSPlatforms anchors are totally top-mounted, there's no need for under-the-roof activities during installation. XS anchors can be installed onto virtually any kind of roof, utilizing a variety of unique designs. XS systems can be used on steel deck roofs, standing seam roofs, concrete decks, and wooden decks, including plywood sheathing as thin as 1/2 inch. Let's take a more in-depth look at how XSPlatforms anchors preserve the integrity of your roof. We'll show the most common application, which is for metal decking. For steel deck roofs, drill 1 hole, insert the XS toggle anchor and its EPDM seal. Put the XS base plate over the toggle. Cover the base plate with additional roof sheeting material. Install the O-ring onto the base plate. Screw on the XS bending kit. And fasten on your topping component. For this example, we installed an XS intermediate anchor point. Installation on concrete deck roofs is similar, except an XS mechanical Fisher anchor is used instead of a toggle anchor. For wooden deck roofs with a minimum thickness of 3/4 of an inch, a toggle anchor is again used, but this time an XS base plate extra is added below the standard base plate. For thinner wooden deck roofs, an XS adapter plate goes under the base plate. 4 XS toggle mini anchors fasten the 2 sets of plates to the roof. What does an XSPlatforms fall protection system mean to a rooftop worker? First, there's freedom of movement. XS-linked systems allow up to 4 workers to move freely while keeping them connected to the horizontal cable lifeline. The XS slider lets them traverse all anchor points, including curves, corners, and ridge tops, without having to disconnect from the lifeline. Second, there's maximum protection for a worker exposed to fall hazards. In the event of a fall, the XS impact anchor bends in the direction of the fall and absorbs the shock. And third, a big advantage for the employer, after most falls, only the bending kit needs to be replaced. The topping component, base plates, and cable are typically unaffected. That means rooftop work can resume more quickly. XSPlatforms from Rigid Lifelines are perfect for a variety of applications, offering 4 major rooftop systems. Point-to-point systems use a pattern of XS single or standalone anchors to create overlapping circles of coverage. Single and multi-span systems use XS linked cable anchors that create user paths for hands-free horizontal mobility. Full roof perimeter systems use XS linked cable and anchors to encircle the entire roof, allowing virtually unlimited points of access and hands-free horizontal mobility. Finally, XSPlatforms offers a comprehensive line of non-roof penetrating weighted guardrail systems for temporary or permanent installation. XSPlatforms systems meet all OSHA and ANSI as well as most international regulations for rooftop fall protection. These systems have proven themselves reliable in hundreds of installations. All XSPlatforms parts have unique serial numbers for quality assurance and 100% traceability. And extensive use of high-grade stainless steel and aluminum means very low maintenance for years to come. Proven reliability, versatility, easier installation with fewer anchor points and few rooftop penetrations. For a fall protection system that has been built by years of experience and optimizes worker safety in every roof situation.
You should choose one of these systems for the ease of the installation, the ease of hooking up, and just for the peace of mind knowing that your people are going to go home safe every day.
Choose XSPlatforms from Rigid Lifelines. Let us customize the fall protection solution that meets your needs. Contact your local Rigid Lifelines representative or visit us online at rigidlifelines.com.